Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to install the Google Docs app on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having Google Docs as an app is really convenient because you can easily go and access it and work. Now, ideally, you go and use Chrome for this, but you don't have to. It can be with other browsers as well, but that's what I'm using. Come to google.com, and you can press the apps button in the top right, and you want to go down and press Docs. Now, once you're here, you can go to the top right. So in Chrome, you can press the three dots like so. Now, hover over Cast Save and Share at the bottom of the list, and can go and press Install Pages and App. So we can go and click there. We can then press Install. We're going to go and get this pop up. Find that it's on your desktop. So you can double click on it and Docs goes and opens as an app.